where science meets justice. Welcome to the Department of Forensic Science at Vivekananda Global University to offer a dedicated forensic program. Since 2019, we've shaped minds to solve crimes with science, merging rigorous academics with cutting-edge lab exposure.
With 40+ years of expertise, our faculty guides students through real-world scenario in forensic DNA and biology.
We bring research-driven teaching to life, mentoring tomorrow's experts in forensic microbiology.
We, being pioneer in forensic studies, ensure that our students get ready for challenges in criminal justice system.
Hands-on training across all major forensic domains: DNA analysis, ballistics, cyber forensics, and crime scene reconstruction. Our labs replicate the real world.
I joined VGU because it's not just theory, we get real lab time experience and mentorship.
Our compulsory 6-month internship in Government Forensic Lab gave us unmatched exposure.
With guaranteed internships, international certifications and top placements, VGU's forensic graduates are making their mark globally.
A legacy of excellence we're proud to uphold. Join the League of Scientific Detectives. Join the Department of Forensic Science at VGU, where careers in justice begin.